Hey everyone, David here with the Fragrance Bros, of course your best source for everything fragrance related, bringing you another kind of mystery box from Creed. Now I had a hunch about this box. In my experience, Creed has sent out boxes that kind of corresponded with ad campaigns they've been doing for the holidays. Recently I got just a normal email from Creed being on their newsletter talking about one of their ad campaigns they were doing for the holidays, and that one was about Royal Mayfair, one of their fragrances, a very good one that was vaulted, and it just came out again. And so just to kind of bring you a spoiler here, I opened this up and that's exactly what it said. Now Creed does this really well. They have a lot of great presentation here. It just says the House of Creed is proud to reintroduce the vaulted Royal Mayfair fragrance to its portfolio. Reimagined in blue tones, this timeless fragrance captures the regal charm of Mayfair while staying true to its enticing notes. Happy holidays from your friends at the Royal House of Creed at Creed Fragrances. Very nice of them to do that. Now this is a fragrance that I really haven't had a lot of experience with. Now I believe that this is a revamped version of Windsor, an older fragrance that has been vaulted, and I don't think that's ever coming back. Windsor is one of my favorite fragrances by Creed, and so I was really actually looking forward to trying Royal Mayfair. I believe I tried this years ago when it first came out, when it was reintroduced, and haven't tried it since. So I'm really excited to try this again, and I don't really have a comparison to say if this is anything like the way it was before. I don't really know if they changed anything or not. I'm just going to guess this is the same, but I'm not really sure. Anyway, let's go ahead and open it up. Really cool magnetic box. And of course, I love that little crest there. That's really neat. Got another little bag here. Those are always cool. Look at that. Oh, I didn't know that. Check that out. That's amazing. I think this is a candle, right? Yep, scented candle. Bougie perfumey. Let's see what this is like first here. Ooh, nice cap. Oh man, I can already smell it. That smells amazing. Look at that. That is incredible. It smells so good too. Yeah, I'll be using that. All right, now let's open the box here. That's everything. Royal Mayfair. And yeah, I think the box is different. I don't remember the other box, but they said it was reimagined in blue tones, so I'm guessing they changed the presentation some. Man. That is gorgeous. Look at that bottle. What a great bottle. The front of this seems a little different than other labels that Creed makes. It has almost like a metallic sticker type of thing. That is beautiful. Man. Great cap. Let's spray it out and see what it's like. Oh yeah. This is what I remembered it being. It does remind me of Windsor. Now I think Windsor is better, but Royal Mayfair is excellent. It has that eucalyptus, rose, musky thing. And it is absolutely gorgeous. It has a lot of eucalyptus in there, and I also get a little bit of mint in there too. I don't know if there's any mint in there, but it has just this really nice green, balmy, foggy type of smell that is still really fresh and wearable. It's super nice. This is one of Creed's best fragrances, so I am really excited to try that one out some more. I'm going to definitely have a review of this too, just because I don't have a review of this on my channel, believe it or not. So I'm going to be reviewing that pretty soon. With that, I'd like to thank my sponsor, Fragrance X. Fragrance X is an online reseller that sells thousands of legitimate products for a discounted cost. If you're considering buying a fragrance, definitely check out Fragrance X. I'll have a link down below to them as well as a coupon. But also check out Rakuten.com. Rakuten.com is a website that offers you a rebate with every purchase that you make through their website. They actually have a deal with Fragrance X that offers you a certain percentage in rebates just by buying through Rakuten. So I'll have a link down below to them as well. Definitely check out Fragrance X and Rakuten together. Great. But what do you think of Royal Mayfair? Have you tried it? Have you tried the new version versus the old version? I'd like to hear your thoughts and tell me what you think. Anyway, thank you again for watching. I'll see you next time. I'm Dave with the Fragrance Bros. Bye.